eating with baguettes?
I am not left-handed.
Oh my.
On God. Pie and ice cream. Does anything go better together?
Me
Besides you and me? On the same wavelength. What were your favorite 70s shows? Do not say one day at a time.
I'm telling, I was a huge fan. Yeah, it's weird. We're leaning on a TV, talking about TV on TV.
The whole strategy throughout this, like, seriously, no pun intended, one day at a time. You know, we take it like that. I mean, seriously, you know?
To know who I am. Let's taste it.
Let's dig in.
We'll share, like
Let's do it.
like the dogs in.
Oh, it'll be like
Is that Lady and the Tramp?
Lady and the
Are you the
Tramp.
lady or the tramp?
We have had some all-time funny moments that I will never forget.
Like the time you accidentally crashed the Macmobile?
You crashed it,
I didn't crash it.
and then you gunned it and almost killed us?
Well, okay, that's our number 5 funniest moment.
What is going... Oh, no.
What the? Hi, bakers. Hi. Duff and I were just taking a spin in our Macmobile.
I want to steal it and drive it to school.
And the winner of this big bake gets to drive it. I'm totally kidding.
Totally kidding.
Oh, God, here.
I don't trust you driving.
Whoa!
I almost took out a kid.
I'm out!
I'm not very good at driving that.
Val, you cracked me up. Check out this moment at number 4.
Bakers, can I get your attention, please?
Hi.
All right, guys, here's the deal. You guys like animals?
Yeah. Sometimes.
She was like stroking a stuffed cat, like during the animal challenge. She was just.
I think I'm gonna call him Bruno. We want your Eclairs to be truly wild. And what is more wild than a bunch of animals? All right, Duff, check out this reminder of why you are the apple of my pie.
Come here, Jane. See that pie right there? Go ahead and
Yeah.
grab that pie.
Oh, gosh.
I signed up for this, Jane. Give it to me
Okay.
right in the face. Wow.
I'm like, yes.
We'll see you all next week.
Our number 2 funniest moment of all time features Val being Val.
Oui, Duff, oui. My name is not Valerie. It is Marie Antoinette, and I would like some cake, please.
We don't have any cake. This is a tart.
Ooh la la.
Yeah.
Would you like some more?
Yes, please.
Shall we call him Bryn?
Yeah.
The worst French accent in the world. Bryn!
Oh, my goodness.
That's so good!
Yay.
But our top funniest moment ever is from the Eclairs Gone Wild Challenge in season 2. The kids had to make animal-shaped cream puffs, and Duff felt he had to. Well, you'll see. Duff, I want you to do an impression of each animal that the bakers are making.
Okay.
Snake. Cat. Turn.
I think I remember him like putting his knuckles up like this and licking them like a cat. I feel like I remember that. Or like he was a lion or something.
Goldfish.
Hey, look, a castle. Hey, look, a castle.
Swan.
He was doing the swan while I was like cutting open the cream puffs. I was like,
Hunt.
They're vicious. A panda.
you're going into the second challenge and you see the judge just going berserk on the floor. You know, it was shocking. It was great though.
And for the finale, a starfish.
Okay.